It's the season for giving.
And we're giving you a free pattern. Keep watching.
Hi, it's Donna Robertson.
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Cafe.
It's free pattern time at Fabric Cafe.
I am so excited. So every couple of months we rotate out our free pattern. And this time it is
Boxes and Bows. Oh, we are so excited. We have pieces and parts and lots of really fun kits to show you.
Yes, and we have images for every single one. So very excited to share.
Let's get started. All right, this first one is an image of boxes and bows. A quilt of boxes and bows. And this is an older quilt, but we're going to show you the images and the pieces and parts. Wait till you see this first one. It's absolutely adorable. We have puppy dogs.
They are so cute.
You know, even though we are cat people, we love every little breathing creature that runs around and loves us back. Okay, so let's get started first of all by showing you the pieces and parts that we have for you. Our fabric number one is going to be these adorable doggies. And would you look at these doggies? We were looking at them before we got started, and Fran pointed out, well, this one has cat eye glasses. I guess he's looking for cats.
Or he's bonding with his inner cat.
Oh, there you go. So it's as simple as that for your first block. And then you make half square triangles, and you'll place one of the half square triangles blocks there and one right here, and you see how the bow appears. Where on this one we have the red bow, this one we have the black bow. Isn't that cute?
That is just so precious.
Now let's look at that fabric and get a little bit more up close and personal with these precious doggies. We just laughed and were pointing out all of the cool things about these guys. So cute. So this is our number one fabric. It's your focus fabric. The number two fabric is going to be that background color that will really show off that bow.
Yeah.
Because of the amount of contrast between the two, you're going to see one bow or the other because there's actually two bows in two different colors in this quilt. Then the number three is your black and little flowers. You can see those doggies running through the flower beds.
So cute. Now we have an image on the screen for all of you to see how this is going to work up, and you can see just how darling this works up, and I just love it. Love the contrast of the fabrics, and I like the red, white, and black together. Just perfect.
It is adorable. Now this one is 8022540. It's called Bow Wow Wow. Boxes and Bows is the pattern, and if you order this kit, you'll get that pattern included. And if you want to download the pattern, you just go to fabriccafe.com to the free goodies tab, and you'll find that pattern.
Perfect. So our next one are these great poinsettias. Now, you're always looking for a fast, fun Christmas quilt. I know I am, and this one would be a great one. So our number one fabric in this case is going to be this gorgeous poinsettia, and it will go everywhere you see the bears here. And then our number two, which just coordinates so well, it's like the backgrounds are the perfect colors together. And that is going to go everywhere the stripe is. And then our number three, and you know, this is so cool. I love this because it's almost like the same poinsettia, but just a little bit smaller. Mm-hmm. And it's on the green, and it's going to contrast great. It's going to go everywhere you see this rusty color on here. Now we have an image on the screen so you can see, and isn't it amazing how the different fabrics give such different looks to the same pattern?
It is.
It is so cool. I just absolutely love it.
Whereas on the other one that we showed, it was like the black was the dominant, and you could really see the bows there. And on this one, look how those white ones pop out.
Yes, I love that. So it's so much fun to see all the different patterns and different fabrics. Now the the kit information on this one is 8022184. It is called Joyful Poinsettias, and once again you can download that free Boxes and Bows pattern just by visiting our website.
You know, sometimes when we're pulling the kits together, we give you almost like a sweetness overload, but is this not adorable? Here's another kit that will look adorable in the Boxes and Bows pattern, and I love it. Those pandas are just too cute.
They are.
And that will be your focus fabric, and then you have your number 2 fabric as compared to number 3. Remember, you always want the contrast to be where your number 3 is a little darker than your number 2. So this one is your number 2 fabric. That'll go everywhere that you see in the lighter section of the half square triangle. And then you have your number 3 fabric, which will go in the darker section.
I really love this combination of the turquoise and the black and the white. I just think it's fun. And as you can see from the image on the screen, it just pops so beautifully and makes such a fun quilt.
I agree. And it's like any fabric looks great in this new free pattern.
Yes.
Now this kit is 8022541 Panda Pals. It's the Boxes and Bows pattern, and you'll get that free when you order the kit, or you can download it from our website.
Yeah. Now the next one is a treat. I just love this. It's a little bit different from what we've been showing, and it's these beautiful watercolor flowers on this blue, and I love this.
I like it too.
This is so fun. And you know, whenever I was a little girl, I'm going to sidetrack here.
Now, and I don't know what this story is.
Well, this makes me think of this. Because whenever I was a little girl, I always had a little bit of a decorating bug, and I had a chest of drawers that you bought me. And I went in, she didn't know, and I took a small paintbrush and some peach colored paint, this color right here, and painted the little flowers on my dresser.
They were just carved into the dresser, but it was a kind of an antique-y white. And I came in her bedroom and I went, whoa, that looks really good.
Whoops. You know, ask for forgiveness, not permission. Well, that's what I did then. But this makes me think of that because it was kind of the similar feel of this. And so our focus fabric, just these gorgeous, gorgeous florals here. And then the peach, number 2 fabric, picks up all of the beautiful peaches in the focus fabric. And then our number 3 fabric, just great. It picks up all the darker blues and turquoises in that. And oh my goodness, look at the image on the screen. Is it not breathtaking?
It is. It's gorgeous.
So just absolutely love it. I think it's going to be a great addition to anyone's home or a little girl's bedroom.
Especially if she paints the flowers pink on her chest.
That's a very definite memory in my mind. Okay, kit information, 8022542. It is called Watercolor Bouquet, and of course it is with our Boxes and Bows pattern.
Isn't this one adorable? I just love how every one of these kits looks great in this pattern.
Yes, and this is so many cute different variations for this pattern. As you can see, any of the fabrics work in this pattern, and it's just fantastic.
Go really fancy, or go cute, or go dramatic. It would look great in solid colors for a modern quilt as well.
It would.
Okay, now we've got these ice skating bears, these ice skating polar bears. So cute. And that's our number 1, so it will go into the block where your focus fabric is. And look at these snowflakes. Aren't those pretty?
Those are so pretty.
Those are very artsy.
They are.
Now that'll be our number 2. It'll go in the light color, and this one is going to really look pretty in this quilt because it's going to look like it kind of blends with the focus fabric.
It's like bears in the snow skating.
That's right. And then we have our number 3s, and this is going to really pop and make your bows show up. So if you'll look at the image on the screen, you'll be able to see what it is that I'm saying.
It is so cute. I like the way the bows really pop on this. And I like the way this red polka dot picks up the red polka dot on his scarf.
Very observant.
It's so cute. It's so perfectly harmonized.
You know, when you're coordinating fabric, that's a good little tip. If you can find some little element in your focus fabric and tie them together. So we've got snowflakes here and here, and we've got the polka dot here and
You're
here.
right. I didn't.
Yeah,
it's perfect.
It's a great way to keep in mind when you're coordinating fabric. Now this one is called Skating Around. It's 8022400 Boxes and Bows, and you'll get the pattern free when you order the kit, or you can download it from our website.
Wonderful. But this one is darling. I just love these little daisies here. I just think it's great. And it's just charming and sweet.
And we'll be ready for some flowers after all the snow.
Yes, probably. So these, the focus fabric being these daisies, of course, will go in your main block here. And then perfectly coordinated this kind of yummy gold, kind of, I don't know, would you say creamy gold or something? It's a perfect gold for the centers of these daisies.
Absolutely.
A perfect match. Now this is our number 2. It'll go where the stripe is. And then the number 3, the green, picks up the green perfectly in the stems of the flower. So I just think it turned out great. I love this combination. And as you can see on the image on the screen, it is absolutely darling. Just love it, how it all goes together. And I'm just amazed at how well all of these showed up in this free pattern. So the kit information on this one, 8022405. Daisy Dots is the name of the kit, and of course the pattern is Boxes and Bows. Now don't forget, Boxes and Bows is up for just a limited time, so be sure to go to our website and visit the free goodies and download the pattern.
We're sure you're inspired by all these beautiful kits, but we'd like to know in the comments what you think you'll use the pattern for.
Yeah, what kind of fabrics are you using? That would be great to see. It's Fran Morgan
And Donna Robertson. Thanks for joining us.